Over the last few months, I personally tested more than 100 AI tools, not just by reading about them, but by actually using them to create content, automate work, and build small income systems. And after hundreds of hours of trial and error, I've found 10 tools that can genuinely make you money, whether you're a freelancer, content creator, or someone looking to start a side hustle. In this video, I'll show you exactly what each tool does, how people are monetizing it, and how you can use it right now to start building your own AI-powered income streams. Starting our list with the first tool, OpusClip. If you've ever wanted to turn your long videos into viral short clips without editing for hours, OpusClip does it in seconds. Just drag and drop your video, and it automatically scans for the most engaging moments using AI. It analyzes speech, expressions, and pacing to find clips that have the highest potential to go viral. You can even choose your aspect ratio, like 9:16 for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, and OpusClip adds captions, emojis, and transitions automatically. The best part? It organizes your clips by virality score, so you know exactly which ones will perform best. And here's how people are monetizing it: by offering short-form video editing services on Fiverr. You can literally use OpusClip to generate shorts for clients, charging $10 to $15 per video, all while the AI does most of the heavy lifting. The second tool on our list is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is one of the most advanced AI voice platforms ever built, and it sounds incredibly real. Inside the studio, you can simply paste your script, choose a voice, and generate a high-quality voiceover in seconds. No robotic tone, no choppy delivery. It actually captures emotions, pauses, and inflection like a real human. But where this gets powerful is voice cloning. You can train the AI on your own voice or create a completely new one. Male, female, accent, tone, all adjustable. People are using ElevenLabs to narrate audiobooks, make faceless YouTube videos, and even run entire podcasts without recording a word. Moving on to the third tool, ChatGPT with AIPRM Templates. ChatGPT on its own is powerful, but when you combine it with AIPRM Templates, it becomes a full-fledged content generation system for businesses. Inside AIPRM, you'll find pre-built prompt templates for every task imaginable: writing cold emails that convert, creating Facebook ad copy, generating SEO-optimized blog posts, and even crafting full website content. All you do is select a template, enter a few keywords about your client's product or service, and within seconds, ChatGPT writes professional-grade copy ready to publish. This combination is helping freelancers build what's now called a content automation agency. Instead of manually writing everything, you use AI to deliver bulk marketing content faster, saving hours and scaling your income. The fourth tool worth checking out is Mixo.io. If you've ever had a business idea but didn't know how to build a website, Mixo.io solves that instantly. It's an AI startup builder that creates a complete landing page and sign-up flow in under a minute. Just type in your idea. For example, an app that helps freelancers manage clients. And Mixo automatically writes your headlines, descriptions, testimonials, and even call to action buttons. You can edit everything right on the dashboard, change colors, add images, or connect your custom domain without touching a line of code. People are using Mixo to test startup ideas quickly, gather early interest, or even sell MVP websites to entrepreneurs. It's one of the fastest ways to validate and monetize ideas before spending a single dollar on development. At number 5, we have KREA.ai. If you want to create stunning visuals without learning Photoshop, KREA.ai is one of the best AI design platforms out there. It lets you generate professional logos, posters, ad banners, and YouTube thumbnails in seconds, simply by typing a few descriptive words. For example, write luxury skincare logo in gold and white, and KREA instantly creates multiple refined options that look completely designer-made. What makes KREA different is its real-time preview system. As you adjust the prompt, you see the artwork evolve live. You can fine-tune color, lighting, and style, or even remix existing images to maintain brand consistency. For creators and freelancers, this is a goldmine. You can use KREA.ai to design full branding packages and sell them on platforms like Fiverr or Etsy. Many freelancers earn $100 to $300 per client, all powered by AI-generated designs. Coming up next, the sixth tool, Durable.co. If building websites sounds technical or time-consuming, Durable.co makes it effortless. This AI-powered platform can create a complete professional website in under a minute. Just type your business name and a short description. For example, Modern Cafe in downtown Dubai. And Durable instantly writes your copy, chooses the layout, picks matching images, and even adds built-in SEO. You can customize everything, swap images, edit text, and connect your domain, all within an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Freelancers are turning this into a full-time side hustle by offering a website in 1-hour service to small businesses. Imagine charging $150 to $500 for a complete site you can generate in minutes. Durable handles the heavy lifting. You simply polish the design, deliver it, and get paid. The 7th tool in our lineup, Notion AI. If you're managing multiple projects or clients, Notion AI is like having your own digital assistant inside Notion. It helps you organize, write, and automate tasks all in one place. You can ask it to summarize meeting notes, draft blog posts, or turn messy ideas into structured plans instantly. Creators and freelancers use Notion AI to systemize their workflow, from content calendars to client databases and financial tracking. You can build dashboards that connect everything: scripts, deadlines, invoices, and goals, all running smoothly without chaos. But here's where the money comes in. People are selling pre-built Notion templates for $20 to $100 each on Gumroad, Etsy, and even their own websites. Once you design one solid system, like a content planner or productivity hub, it keeps generating sales automatically. Moving to number 8, Synthesia. Synthesia is one of the most advanced tools for creating professional videos without ever showing your face or recording a voice. All you need to do is type your script, choose an AI avatar, and pick a voice. In seconds, Synthesia turns your text into a full video with a realistic presenter who speaks naturally in over 120 languages. You can change backgrounds, add text overlays, insert your logo, and even create multiple scenes, all from your browser. It's perfect for tutorials, product explainers, or online courses. Here's the smart part. People are using Synthesia to build entire faceless YouTube channels or create corporate training and explainer videos for clients. Businesses pay $100 to $500 per video, depending on length and customization. The 9th tool is CrewAI. With CrewAI, you can create your own AI agents, digital workers that can perform real tasks automatically. Inside the dashboard, you can build agents that write emails, do market research, summarize documents, or even manage content for social media. You just describe the goal, connect the right tools, and your agent starts working on its own. CrewAI is especially powerful for creating teams of agents that collaborate, like having a marketing agent, a researcher, and a writer all communicating together. The monetization angle here is huge. You can sell custom AI agents to startups or entrepreneurs looking to automate repetitive tasks. And finally, wrapping up our list with Make.com. This is a powerful no-code automation tool that connects all your favorite apps, from Google Sheets to Gmail to ChatGPT, and makes them work together automatically. You can design workflows visually without writing a single line of code. For example, when someone fills out a form on your website, Make can instantly send them a personalized email, add their data to a spreadsheet, and notify you on Slack, all happening in real time. The real money comes from building and selling these automations to others. Many freelancers now offer automation setup services for businesses, like CRM systems or lead management flows, charging monthly retainers. You can even turn your best workflow into a mini SaaS that runs automatically and earns you recurring income every month. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI tutorials and business breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.